Let's quickly show you guys a bit of editing. Let's start from the top. So when you go into InShot, you want to press video, because we want to get into video, then new. All right, so then it's great because it just takes you into your camera roll. So I can literally then look at all the videos that were associated, you know, with her hair. So we can, and I'm just going to click them all because I don't know what's what there. When you're doing two at once, sometimes it's confusing, but you just got to kind of get it in there and see. And then we've got the dream coat, we've got this. And then I don't know which one of these was blow drying, so we'll just put them all, and then we've got all these after shots. So it suddenly seems like a little daunting, but we're going to just look. Let's just get something. Oh goodness! So the first thing you want to do is go to your sound, your volume,
and turn it off.
Right. So you can go down and then press the two little ticks. It will turn volume off on everything, but you can turn volume off on certain videos. Like I just made one recently where I did. It was a voiceover. But then it was like a little clip where I wanted the sound, so I just left the sound on that particular video, you see? But this way, when you're editing, it's gonna make it simpler. And you can just kind of scroll through with your finger. So where was the one where we zoomed in? Oh my God, that color was like a crazy transformation. Look, so you can edit them or you can just delete them out. And this has a great feature, which is undo. Because sometimes you'll spend ages, because you can move these clips and scroll them and stuff. And you know, if suddenly I'm like scrolling across and I suddenly move that video, I'm like, oh my God, where the hell was it? You just press that little undo and it undoes. And you can undo a few things or redo a few things. So you can, it's really kind of safe in a way. So this is gonna be our before like hook, which is gonna be really quick. So then we wanna like just press and hold and go right to the end where we did that one. Where was it? Where we went right into the hair. I'm just trying to find the particular spot. Oh, this was it here. Okay, so this is the one. So this is the one where we zoom in and then out.
Move it over.
Okay. Oh, okay. You're setting them. Now you're putting it together.
Now I'm going to put the two together. So I'm just going to zoom in until it goes dark, until the last second. Okay, and then it comes out like this.
Oh, okay.
See? But that's like 7 seconds. This needs to be quick.
Yeah.
So then what you can do is you can go to your speed and speed it up. Like I can speed it up like 6 times or something, or that's gonna look weird though, you know. So there you go, that made that 1 second, and then this can be one that we can make this one faster as well. So I'm just changing some speed. So look, this is what it's gonna look like. That's the start, boom, and like, whoa, you know. But what that was, did you see this was too fast? So what I'm gonna do is, oh goodness, I'm gonna slow it right down. But this is all what you do. It's all trial and error. Right. So we're going to slow it down, but I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to make it shorter so you see less of the hair. See, now I'm going to look at this and be like, that's the before, boom. Okay, so now, well, what was that I just saw? So maybe I want to make it a little bit longer. So just, you see, you're just always just kind of, there you go. And then we can have her like, the beginning like that, and then she does that with her hand, so then we just move that to where the hand is. Okay, cool. She didn't quite cover the lens completely, which is annoying, but you know. we had a lot going on. Okay, so we had that. So now we can zoom right into the dream filter like this, you see. So then we're going to speed this up, the dream filter. Well, we only just need a bit of spraying. So that can just be, so we can just split. So if you press split, and then you can delete all the end stuff, because you don't need that kind of stuff. So now you're starting to get the start of the video. So you see that before to that after. It's like, whoa, how did you get that? Oh no, boom. And then look, dream filter, that's the first step, spraying that in. You see, we're starting to tell a story.
Okay, got you.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're saying like give it to them at the beginning.
Give them the taste.
Like give them the before now.
Yeah, give them before, yeah, that's your hook.
Okay.
Yeah, give them a little
Okay.
2 seconds, 3 seconds of like, wow. what was that
Like,
just
what
happened
did
on
it
her
just do?
hair? Yeah.
Okay, and then you go into it.
And then we can
Okay.
write something like we achieved this with no color. So we can do this. We could do the little cute thing we tried, you know. But look, but the transition didn't work from the dream filter. So, oh damn, I need a transition. So then you just click this little box down here. Do you see at the bottom? So you just press that, and then we just do this, like, doom. There you go. Do you see?
Yeah.
So it gave me a quick transition there to the watch, and then 1, 2, 3. That was cute, and then back again. Did you see?
Yeah.
So that was like 3 minutes, and we can speed that up as well. Maybe 1.8, something like that, or even it can be even faster than that. There you go. So look, so it's the before, it's the after. Whoa. Dream filter, you see? 1, 2, 3, and then we get on to some other products. You see, do you get the essence of it? And then, but it's going to be quick. And then once I've kind of got it together, I'm then going to get quite like aggressive on it. You know, I'm going to really start to like hone it down, speed it up. Like I'm seeing on this bit here, which is something. This is when you get a bit more advanced.
I'm gonna slow that down.
Well, but what I can do, you can do something called curve. So I can actually make it faster at the beginning, okay?
Slow it down.
And then slow it down at the end, like that. So it's more like, so then when we play it, so look, so it's like boom, fast, and then slows down. Do you see?
Cool.
So that's nicer, because that bit where she pulls her hand away, that's not telling you anything. So I want to move through that quickly. I made it a little fast. It's something like that. So then when we put that in, it's like that before, and then boom, and then it slows down a little bit. So yeah, see, it's a little more attractive to watch. And then it's the dream filter, that's what we used. We sprayed that in, then we have a little transition, 1, 2, 3. And then, you know, if we wanted to do shampoo, we could do shampoo, etc. You know, so that's kind of how that works.
You go back and add your music after that.
Yeah, so so let's just kind of quickly show you how we then put it into like a reel. So then we did the filter. We did for 3 seconds, so we don't need coconut in this one. That's just the shampoo, which is kind of cute. So we can do the shampoo in there just for a few. 2, 3, shampoo, boom, and then so we don't need that either. So now what we're going to do is just blow drying. So we don't need this in this video because this is the dream filter video. No, I've lost a clip of you actually blow drying. It should be somewhere. I've deleted it by mistake. So then if you want to add a clip, because I'm like, oh damn, we need to complete this story. We need a little bit of blow drying, which I know I have. Okay, here we go. So there we go. We're going to do a little bit of blow drying, and then there's my transition.
It's like I have a whole new job now.
Yeah, no, seriously, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's like. Now I'll just show you guys how we're going to, what's this video now? Jeez, it's a long video. So so it's like 27 seconds. I mean, it definitely needs like speeding up. That's way too long for a video, but it just gives you an idea of the type of thing you can do. Look, so there's your before, you know, there's your little after, it's her. So that needs to be faster immediately. So this is when I start to get a little aggressive on it, you know, because I'm like, damn, my video is it's 19 seconds long now, so it's getting better. So it's like boom. Then we've got the dream filter, so that needs to be sped up because I never sped that up. We can make that a bit faster. Okay. So boom. Spray it in. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Right, that's way fast. You see? So you want to kind of bring that right down. So you might want to actually shrink that shot, you know, to get it. So 1, 2, 3. You shampoo, blow dry. But do you see in that shampoo shot, it looked a bit funky. So there you go, do you see? So it's little things like that. You can shave off little bits all the time. So now it looks a bit cleaner. So then it's the blow dry, and then a little transition into this gorgeous hair. So suddenly we've gone from 27 to 17 seconds very quickly. So we just,
you need to keep it at?
I would keep around 15 is good. So it's funny, this one's actually better nearer the end of that video when I kind of really got into it. So then I'm gonna kind of cut it at the beginning like this, but then I still want to have like it's got like a little transition there. So there we go. Like it's 16 seconds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save it. Okay. So I'll quickly save. But when you start making minute-long videos, you're just gonna get no views. It's just gonna put you off, you know. So start making them quick like this. So now it's saved to my camera roll. So now I can go to Instagram, and we want to start like making it. So look, I want to make a reel, so I go to reel, and then I press here, and that's the video that I want to use. So I'm going to add this video, and I want to put some audio behind it. So I can just play some. It's going to recommend me some songs. See, that kind of works. Do you notice I'm not that fussed? You know, it's a song, it's got a tune, it sounds kind of cool. It's like, no big deal, you know. It's going to recommend you some songs. It's going to make it easy for you. You can then move the song around a little bit if you've got a transition, so you can make it hit one of your transitions. This kind of did it anyway. So then I want to go next. You see? Boom. So this is our reel, but then I want to put something on because I need to tell people on my page and tell people if this gets on an Explorer page, you're going to click on it if it tells you something. So, instant blonde with like what could I say? Like brighter blonde, you know, instantly brighter blonde. Because what, you know, that's what I'm trying to think. Not what I want to write to be clever. I'm trying to think what's the consumer. Like you blondes, if you saw a video that says instantly brighter blonde, are you going to be like into like looking at that? You know, so I'm like, so what I'm gonna do then is put that instantly brighter blonde like in a position here, and then when I click on it, I can then move the duration of it. Okay, so I could and then make this. Do you see how look instantly brighter blonde? But I want to move it down because it's kind of in the way of what's happening. So instantly brighter blonde. See? So that's cool. So you've seen that. That's enough. Done. Okay. So done. And then I'm just going to go next. Then I'm going to edit my cover.
Wow.
Okay. So it's like, but this is the thing. And I remember when I did this Reels class the other day. See, and what do I want for my beginning image? That's what I want. Instantly brighter blonde. Does that blonde look good there? You know. Like what shot do I? Where do I pick it? Like that maybe.
Absolutely.
You know, maybe a tiny bit more, you know, where, you know, give it a... TikTok's different though. TikTok, I'm going to do my holding shot as not the finished article every time. Because in TikTok, if you do it as your finished, if you do your finished image as your video, people won't even tune in to watch because they're like, already seen what it's done. Instagram's slightly different because you can do more of a polished finish. So when I post this, you know, and then I'm gonna do like my tags, I can tag people, and that's why I took down your Instagrams, but that's why I put it in my notepad, because I don't wanna be going back and thinking, oh my God, who were those people on Instagram? They need to be in my notes, because then I can instantly go back to my notes and I can make sure I tag everyone that's relevant for this video, okay? And then, you know, if I wanna just you know, save it to my drafts, I can just save it to my drafts and I'll be like, okay, I'll work on that later, and then if you want to go and see it, you can press Reels and then it'll be in your drafts, like right here. So if you want to like see it, we can like go edit. Just give it a second to. See?
Wow, sounds so good. This guy was like, she said, oh my God, it looks like a professional reel. I said, that's all it is. You know, you just get your little bits and put it together. Does it make a lot more sense now? Because that looks like a professional reel, right? But it's quick. The thing, I tell you, the biggest mistake I see people make is they don't speed up the sections enough. I'm even watching things on there, I'm thinking, oh, maybe the bit where you spread the dream filter is still a little bit too long. And I'm watching it critically, thinking, when would I be tuning out? And I'm always critically watching it, and that's why I take my time. Once I've edited it all together, I take my time to then speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, cut it, speed it up, maybe slow down a bit, where if it looks weird, I sped it up too much. Do you see? You saw that whole process
just happen. Now that's a postable video. It's about 15 seconds long, so it's a good time. You're showing something before and after. You can put in the captions, you know.